What is going on YouTube? It's of course your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another banger of a video, guys. Today I want to drop you an update about Valhalla, guys, the product of Floki. First of all, before we jump into the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. So actually, I wanted to drop this video a little bit earlier, but due to some things that happened, I wasn't really able to. So nonetheless, I'm doing it now, guys. As soon as I record it, I'm dropping this video straight up because we have some big news about Valhalla. But first of all, for those that don't know what Valhalla is, I will basically give you a brief introduction. So Valhalla is blockchain-based MMORPG inspired by Norse mythology, offering players the chance to discover, tame and battle with creatures called Veras. The game features a player-driven economy and hexagonal battlefield designed for dynamic combat. So basically you can learn all about the game on this website, guys. You can play the game now and it will be officially launched on mainnet in November. So the official date will be announced very soon, and I will be probably making a video about this as well, guys. And first big news is this, okay? Valhalla to power the revamped Hong Kong International Cricket Sixes, okay? And what are those Hong Kong Sixes? So the Hong Kong Cricket Sixes is a six-a-side international cricket tournament held at the Kwong Road Recreational Ground from 1st to 3rd November, guys. The 2024 edition will be conducted after a 7-year gap, and 12 of the best cricketing nations will battle it out for top honors, okay? And there is, as you can see, this website, hkcricket.org, you can basically learn more about this whole event right here. And Valhalla partners with Hong Kong International Cricket Sixes for a thrilling comeback, guys, okay? Thrilling comeback October 25th, 2024. Valhalla, Floki's play-to-earn massively multiplayer online role-playing game blockchain game, has teamed up with the Hong Kong International Cricket Sixes as its official partner, which is absolutely huge. You can see all those news here, and as you can see, it includes this collaboration with Valhalla here, so that's beautiful. I really love to see it, guys. So, you know, Sixes as official partner, marking the much anticipated return of the tournament after a 7-year break. Really huge collaboration. And from November 1 to November 3rd, top international teams will face off in this fast-paced cricket format at the Team Kwong Road Recreation Ground. And the Cricket Sixes has been a celebrated event since its debut in 1992, with legendary players like Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni, Shane Warne and son of Jayasuriya gracing the field over the years, guys. So really huge. So also this collaboration, right, the Valhalla's partnership with the Sixes reflects the synergy between competitive sports and blockchain gaming world, because this gaming is also pretty competitive if you think about it, right? So they're really thrilled to be part of the Hong Kong International Cricket Sixes. The excitement and the energy of this iconic event resonate with their own commitment to innovation community in gaming, said Mr. Brown Whale, Valhalla's lead. And this collaborations allows us to engage with cricket fans and show how play-to-earn gaming can elevate both entertainment and the spirit of competition, guys. So the matches will be broadcast across multiple regions by Star Sports Network, and in India viewers can catch the action on FanCode, one of the country's largest sports OTT platforms. So on the ground, key branding assets will include ground perimeter boards, mid-wicket logo mats and the presentation backdrop. So it's really ensuring strong visibility for both Valhalla and Sixes event in itself as well. And this year's tournament will feature 12 teams divided into 4 groups. So in Group C we have India, led by their stars like Robin Uthappa, Kedar Jadavs and so on, guys. So you can obviously check out all the players and lineups. There is also a face-off against Pakistan and the UAE. Then also there is Group A with South Africa, New Zealand and host nation Hong Kong. Then Group B that brings together Australia, England, Nepal, while Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Oman make up Group D. So this is purely international event, and there is a lot of countries competing. There is 29 matches set to take place over 3 action-packed days, guys, and over those 3 days Valhalla will be really pushed, okay? So, you know, this is already huge. We are 4 minutes into the video, and I just shared you one news, okay? It was a long news, but it was just one, okay? After all. But this is not the end of all the good stuff, guys. Let's talk about their new ambassador, Bjorn. So as you can see, this is his official profile. As you can see, he's pumped to announce that he's teaming up with Valhalla, a Viking game from Floki. This man looks like a Viking, to be honest. Like, for me, if you were to Google how Viking looks, it should pull up this guy's picture straight up, you feel me? It's absolutely crazy collaboration. I love to see it. Obviously Floki has also announced this, and then there is the post from Floki, and then there is another one actually. Valhalla, Floki's revolutionary MMORPG, welcomes Hafthor Bjornsson as official ambassador, okay? So Hafthor Julius Bjornsson, the Icelandic strongman and actor famed for his role at the Mountain in Game of Thrones, is joining Valhalla as official ambassador. Really huge collaboration, and look at the man himself, man. Shout out to him for real. And obviously you have his character in game, as you can see, even with all the tattoos and stuff, so that's lovely. And yeah, that's a great collaboration after all, you know. A man from Game of Thrones, like, this is huge, to be fair. That's why I'm so excited about this, honestly, you know, having fun while giving you all those informations. You know that I enjoy making those Floki related videos, Floki, Valhalla, all of that good stuff. There is a bunch of those videos on my channel, so if you haven't watched them, then go ahead, watch them all, because it's really worth the watching, okay? But yeah, let's talk some more. I still have a bunch of news for you. To be exact, I have 4 more. So first things first, guys, we have this partnership with Alliance, which is an esports team. And Alliance has really dominated esports. Last year they have teams in Counter-Strike, they have teams in Apex Legends, so these guys are really known. And for example, like, it all matches up as well, because Alliance in itself has a whole roster in Counter-Strike from Swedish players, and you know, Vikings, Sweden, it all kind of matches. So these collaborations, these partnerships, in my opinion, is something else. It's like next level, okay? And as you can see, the CEO is also pretty excited, the CEO of Alliance, and then also Mr. Brown Whale, the lead of Valhalla and core advisor. I mean, how can't you be excited if those are the partnerships that they're doing, right? Not the end of good news, guys. Another one, Valhalla and OG Esports team up for exclusive partnership, guys. OG is actually pretty huge. Like, Alliance is big, but OG is like huge. They used to really dominate Counter-Strike scene as well. So they will have their logos displayed and all of that, and honestly, this is another great collaboration. So those two esports team will give a lot of exposure, and as you guys know, esports is mainly being watched by gamers, right? So they might come to Valhalla to check the game out if it will be so widely promoted. Then, guys, another partnership. As you can see, Floki announces partnerships for Valhalla as an official sponsor of University of Miami Athletics for the 2024-25 season. So that's another groundbreaking news. They are really, you know, doing all the competitive kind of collaborations, which, as it was mentioned before, it really kind of interconnects with the game in itself. You know, just wanted to announce this, you know. I mean, it's really big, and the visibility, as you can see, visibility across key sports. Valhalla will be featured prominently across Miami Hurricanes football, men's basketball and women's basketball. From social media to in-stadium displays, Valhalla will be everywhere Hurricanes fans look. So this can also bring potential players and investors. So these guys really are thinking about all of these collabs. And then you also have their official post from Canes Football with the help of Valhalla, powered by real Floki, you know, will donate to Canes Connection for every field goal made by the Hurricanes this season. Really lovely, guys. Amazing news in today's short video. I mean, short, not short, it's 9 minutes long, but yeah, I'm pushing this ASAP for you so you can learn about this. And if you want to play Valhalla, guys, link will be down below in the description of this video. I will keep you updated with all the new things happening within this whole Floki ecosystem. And that's it from me for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.